Welcome to DeZURIK, a day in the life of a CNC machinist. At DeZURIK, our CNC machinists are the skilled craftsmen who transform raw materials into precision-engineered components. They efficiently set up, operate, and program a range of CNC machines. Quality is paramount. Our CNC machinists check their own work and that of others using precision measuring devices, ensuring top-notch quality, safety, and performance. We value teamwork and actively promote DeZURIK's safety and continuous improvement programs. Our CNC machinists work together to enhance safety and efficiency. As part of the DeZURIK team, you'll be part of a dynamic and growing company that values its employees. DeZURIK offers competitive wages and a generous employee benefit package. If you're passionate about precision engineering, quality craftsmanship, and a supportive work environment, consider joining us at DeZURIK. Your career as a CNC machinist begins here. Visit our careers page to explore opportunities and embark on a rewarding journey with DeZURIK.